we're just one voice, but together we're much more powerful, and together we can achieve so much more.
The Coastal Stewardship Network, a program of coastal First Nations, supports the alliance of First Nations along the North Pacific coast and advances regional stewardship efforts.
And so if we stand up together and if we work together, then we can look at the bigger picture and we can get the work done. It's beneficial to all future generations for all our people.
It kind of opens my eyes a bit more on to protect our wildlife and our resources on our land.
The CSN supports the regional stewardship efforts of each nation by facilitating meetings, workshops, and annual gatherings that provide stewardship staff an opportunity to come together to build relationships and share information and experiences, coordinating learning exchanges, and developing communications and outreach tools to raise awareness about stewardship activities.
We've been working as a collective for going on to 18 years together. To be able to live sustainably off the land and off the sea, we need to protect it. And that's what it comes down to is having an organized and effective protection mechanism over our traditional territories. And that's what it's all about.
To learn more, visit our website, sign up for our newsletter, and keep in touch with us on social media.